everyone, one and all. Welcome to Gigi's Cooking Corner. I am so excited to be able to teach my little grand kiddos how to cook, how to bake, how to make their favorite things. Today we're going to be making ice cream that's super easy. So let's get started. I know that maybe you think that making ice cream sounds like a hard thing to do, but it's really not. Look at all these ingredients that you usually have in your kitchen. Vanilla, whipped cream, sweetened condensed milk, Nutella. Who doesn't love Nutella? That's all you need. So first we're going to scoop this into the mixing bowl. And you're gonna just love how this plops into the mixer. So ooey gooey delicious. It's gonna make you wanna lick out the measuring cup. You're gonna add 1 cup of Nutella. Getting every ounce of Nutella out of this because we need every ooey gooey bit of that. Okay, and then in goes the sweetened condensed milk. So I also want to tell you while we're mixing this up that I learned how to cook and bake from my mom when I was just little, just like you little kiddos. And she would always be in the kitchen making something yummy and delicious. My favorite thing was when David and I would walk home from school and we'd come in the kitchen and we would smell warm bread coming out of the oven. And we knew that she had been cooking in the oven, in the kitchen all day. Are you on? All right, once you have those 2 things mixed in, we're gonna put in 2 cups of whipping cream. That's gonna lighten everything up. The ice cream is gonna turn super creamy. You can get a close-up and watch what happens in the mixer. Okay, here it goes. It's gonna whip up. Okay, while that's mixing, look what I have over here. Look, we have brownies over here. Are you showing how it's getting thicker in this bowl?
I hope so.
Okay, while this was mixing, this ice cream was mixing, I cut up some brownies over here. And then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. And when you measure things, you wanna be accurate. So it calls for 2 teaspoons, that's exactly what we're gonna do. When you are a little bit more experienced with cooking, then you can vary what you add in. There it goes. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff right here. And we're gonna make the ice cream. Get our ice cream bowl. Here it comes. Here's how you do it. Let's clean off the batter, whatever that is, beater. I just wanna make sure that the Nutella is really mixed up well in the bottom. It looks like it's maybe not super well. Okay, we're gonna put a layer. Adelaide, do you have a question?
Yes.
What is it?
Is this mint ice cream?
This is called Nutella brownie ice cream.
Oh.
And I hope you like it. We're gonna do a layer of the ice cream, and then we'll take a layer of the brownies.
So are we doing the taste test?
Well, we're gonna need to freeze the ice cream first. Goes right in like that. We'll add another layer of the ice cream. Do you get the idea? It's gonna have brownies running all the way through it. Here's some more.
Hey Gigi, how did you get so smart?
I appreciate that question. I have always liked cooking and baking, mostly because I like to eat it, but I also like to make other people happy. Here's another layer. And I especially like ice cream, so you can't go wrong with this. And this is easy enough for any of my little kiddos to make. Okay. We're gonna finish up what we have here. And then we'll put a layer of the brownies on top. I guess that's all that will fit. Here we go. Last little bit up top. Gracie, Finn, Oliver, Liza, Emma, Adelaide, Jack. Look what we just did. We made ice cream, that's it.
Ooh, ah.
We're gonna put the lid on, stick it in the freezer, and tomorrow we'll be able to eat this. And I hope you enjoyed our first lesson in cooking. And I want you to remember as we end today that Gigi loves you. Now go practice cooking and clean up your messes. Mwah!